to another vlog. I haven't vlogged in a year, so a lot of things have changed. But yeah, so remember the classic dirt bike. This is a classic wheelie dirt bike and all that. It's amazing. This is, yeah, so the tire popped on it though. You can tell big old holes right there. Tire's burnt out, fully burnt out. But for the past, wait. But look at the new bike. This is the new bike. This is Henry, I named my bike. So we got the cool sticker in the back, and then we got the grip and all that. Much bigger than little goat. This is a little goat. Much bigger, much faster. We got knobbies on her right now. We got the new workbench, new toolbox, and all that. But yeah, I've been just pretty much working, cleaning actually, because let me do something here. Let me post you up right there. So pretty much this guy's electric, but get that guy out. Oh, it's heavy. Let me back her out. I can show you. As you can see, it's big. I don't know if the camera does it, but it's massive and heavy. It has a big old kickstand, a mirror, and yeah, it's so much fun to drive. This has the ease throttle, and then this one has the bars up a lot, but this one just has the click, 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 click. This has the slowly ease. So I could probably wheelie this, but this thing's so heavy, you will let it down in the front suspension. Yeah, this has full suspension too. Front shocks, and then you can see but a shock right there. You'll let it down and it will bang. So I don't want to do that, but broke her in. Made a little keychain. But yeah, I've been cleaning them. So the tires was so dirty, like just the rim was so dirty, and I only had it for like 3 days. But it was so dirty. Cleaned her up. It's amazing how clean it got. But yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm vlogging on my phone. I have a mic. Oh gosh, the sun. I have a mic, but yeah, I forgot it at my beach house. So the audio might not be the best, but hey, at least we got audio. And yeah, we're gonna be working on that guy, and we're gonna rev her up, give her a little dyno run, maybe hit a little burnout for you guys. The tire always popped, so yeah. But let's see here. So yeah, I have like a whole cable management on this desk. It is little, but it works. I like it like this. Then we got like a whole cable management, and yeah. So let's get this baby. This is so small, and I had to seal this crack in the back. Oh gosh, these bars. This is my brother's now. We're gonna share it, so that's why the bars are up so much. Oh, it started. You gotta keep it running. It is loud. Brakes are good. Didn't start for a minute. me to get on the stand, so I don't think we're going to be dynoing this thing. I probably need 2 people to get it on the stand. But yeah, that thing runs good. I did a detail on it. Oh, hands on the way. I did a detail on both bikes. Oh, almost falling over. And the bike fully destroyed my little brush that I used to detail this bike. But yeah, I like soaked the whole thing. I just used glass cleaner. It like works perfect on all of my bikes. So that's what I did. Yeah. But yeah, this thing, you can't wrap it. Can't wrap this thing too heavy to get on the stand. I mean, I'll try to get it on the stand. I don't know how well that's gonna go. But yeah, this thing. That's all right. Alright, we're gonna give it a minute. Warm her up. Alright, she's all warmed up. We're gonna hit a burnout on the end of the vlog, so watch the end. And you're gonna see that. Let's see if we can get Big Boy on the stand, Henry up on the stand. Actually, what should I name it? This thing's the GOAT. I'm gonna call it the GOAT. It's a beast, bro. But let's get the little pit bike. I don't know what I should call this thing then. We'll call this thing Henry. Let's get this thing out off the stand. Yeah, this thing. Dang, I don't know what I should call it. Alright, who do you think? The GOAT for the big guy, the GOAT for this guy, and then Henry for the little guy. What do you think? I don't know. I think Henry for the big guy. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Henry for this guy, but let's try to get up on the stand. Why is this thing so dirty? Alright. Let's try to get up on the stand. Dude, you better pay attention, dude. This is gonna be a struggle. Alright, anything for the content, man. Alright, this is gonna be hard. Oh, God. Dang, dude. Crap. Dude, I got Henry up. Holy crap, dude. Oh, I got up on sand. Holy crap. Whoa. Hey, bro. Dude, I got her on the stand. Holy crap. She's massive. This bucket's massive. Dude, this thing's big. Okay. We're gonna wrap her up. We're gonna see how this goes. Holy crap. Oh boy. Oh, that does not seem fast. Dude, it's at max power. That's like 20 something. Oh. Dude. Holy crap. This is a beast. Holy crap. Get on it. Oh, it's barely even touch. Let's shut her off. Oh crap, what is it? Okay. Now is on low. Oh, I'm getting up. Dude, this thing's massive. I getting off the stand? Oh, dude. How am I getting this thing off the stand? See here? Go really back. Back. Oh. We did it. We got it off the stand at least. Holy. Dude, you better hit that subscribe button right now. Oh my gosh. Holy poop. Crap, dude. We're going full throttle. Do you know how fast that is, bro? That's like flying fast. Alright, I promised you I would hit a burnout. Oh, yeah. I know I'm not. I know. See, I'm already getting complaints. Alright guys, give me a minute, okay? I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I'm getting complaints of revving this thing. Gosh. I'm already getting complaints that it's brand new. Can't rev it. But whatever. You better smack that subscribe button right now. Holy crap. I don't know about burnout, dude. I don't think I'm going to send it. But did one earlier. And the tire was smoking. That was really hard on the battery. Oh god, it's pouring rain right now. Let's put this thing back up on the stand. Probably am gonna bend the rim, but I'm getting a whole new rim kit and everything. Oh, this thing is nothing compared to Henry. Might take Henry for a ride. But yeah, jeez, bro. Okay. But yeah, I'm trying to do YouTube again. If it's not gonna go well, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Yeah. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit it! Okay? That's a good stand. I just found a stand. Sorry about the spray paint. The guy that lived here before did that. Yeah. But Henry's amazing. Yeah, Henry's amazing. Again, can't really hit. But yeah, it's fun to ride. I have a mirror on it. Here where I live, I'm always on the... Dude, that sun. Look, I'm blurring out my head. But that, where I live, there's lots of cars and stuff. So that's why. Pretty much I have a mirror, so I can look behind me. But, yeah. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you think I should still do YouTube. Yeah, I'm not sure. But yeah, see you guys next video. Peace.